First of all, you need to have the Node.js installed on your machine, and it should be only either version 18, 20, or 22. It's not working on any other version. It's gonna break. So please make sure that you have that installed. Next, we're not gonna talk a lot about the documentation. Mostly I'll be everything describing on my own. But this piece is about setting up your local environment and running your local instance of N8N. Honestly, from that documentation, everything that you need is basically npx N8N command script, and that's it. Once you have Node.js installed in the machine, super easy. Guys made it like rather beautifully locally. So here we are in our terminal. First of all, let's check that we have correct Node version installed. That's fine. Next, let's finally run npx N8N and see what's going to happen. This is automatically will download all the packages and start the N8N instance on your local machine. In your case, when you launch it for the first time, it might take much more time than it took for me just to download everything and to set everything up. Also, once you launch your N8N instance, for example, you close it, you hit Ctrl+C, everything will be saved locally. So you can launch this script again later on, and you will have everything in place. For us, there are two options to open N8N. Finally, we can click this link like localhost, and we just can click all. Let's click all for the simplicity. And boom, here's magic. The N8N is opened. In your case, when you launch it for the very first time, you might be greeted with this window. Basically, you need to sign up. I believe that's easy. And after you signed up, a small tip from me, N8N might be asking you about where you work or something like that. It's necessary to share the information. After you signed up, you can skip all the other questions and prompts. So just sign up, skip, and after that, you should be able to see the UI next.